Hello everyone. In this video, I will share you about Huawei MateBook X Pro. Let's see the Huawei MateBook X Pro together. Here are about Huawei MateBook X Pro. World's first full-view display, immersive 13.9-inch 3K touchscreen with 91% screen-to-body ratio, only 0.57-inch thin and weighs only 2.93 pounds. Perfect for at-home or on-the-go computing. Powerful inside, Windows 10 Home Signature Edition with no bloatware. 8th Gen Intel Core i7-8550U processor plus NVIDIA GeForce MX150, boosts performance up to 40% over its predecessor. Home theater, 3K touchscreen with 3000 by 2000 resolution, 1500:1 contrast ratio and 260 ppi allow you to see vivid details when viewing HD content. 2nd Gen Dolby Atmos for immersive audio. One-touch power button, enabling users to power on the notebook, finish identity authentication through Windows Hello and access the desktop in less than 8 seconds. Bluetooth 4.1. Includes compact Mate Dock 2.0, USB-A port, USBC port, HDMI port and VGA port. Includes 1-year Office 365 personal and 1-year manufacturer warranty. 60 Hz refresh rate. Note, products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the US. Outlets and voltage differ internationally and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please check compatibility before purchasing. Thank you for watching and see you next videos.